guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to create this curry chicken pasta, so stay tuned guys.
Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun morning, babe. Nothing in the morning.
So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of curry to the oil. Ensure that the oil is hot properly and the curry is burned properly as well, because you don't want the curry to run your belly. So make sure it's hot properly. You might add more than 2 teaspoons of curry, but that's fine, but add enough where it can properly curry the chicken properly. So I already did a vlog on how to prepare your chicken, so you can check that one out. I will be leaving the link in the description below guys. So I make sure I have my gears because I don't want the pot to burn me for sure. So ensure that when you stir in or hold in the pot, you have something to secure your hands from the heat as well. So I'm just going to stir the meat and ensure that the curry distributes all over. So after the curry is distributed all over the chicken, I'm just gonna go ahead and stir it a little bit more just to make sure that every part of the chicken is actually curried, and then I'm gonna leave it to fry down a little. Normally when the chicken fried a little bit, I normally cover the pot. So the covering the pot, it would actually spring water. So that water that is there, I'll just let it stay there until the water dries out before I add any water to the pot. And trust me, if you could smell the pot, especially you could smell the pepper in the meat now, but unfortunately you can't smell it. So you just have to watch to see how I create this meal. So I'm going to add some water to the pot now. This is my first set of water, so just to let the chicken boil a little bit. You don't want to add too much water, so is a possibility you can add enough water just to cover the meat. So I'm just going to stir this up and then let it set for a couple minutes, after which I'm going to add my Penne pasta. These are what I'm going to use to actually create this meal. So I already went ahead and add the first water. Now I'm going to add the second water to it now. I'm gonna let it set for the gravy to make in that one. For here now, I already went ahead and add salt to the water, so it's actually boiled now. So I'm gonna incorporate the 3 packs of Penne pasta for let that to go on boiled while the chicken is actually making its gravy now. So the pasta is currently boiling now. Please make sure that you taste, ensure that the water is not too salty and it's not too fresh. And the chicken now is actually at the point of making the gravy now. So I'm just going to turn on the stove because I don't want the gravy to dry out, because we're going to need enough liquid to incorporate the pasta in it as well. The pasta is actually cooked now, so I'm just gonna go off camera, strain the water off, and then let it set. And then when I'm ready to add to the pot, I will come back for it. So I have my onion, scallion, green sweet pepper, and some pepper as well to add to the meat. So currently I'm just gonna add these one by one. The reason why I didn't add them before is that I want the vegetable to be crunchy, so while you're eating the pasta you could actually taste the tenderness of the vegetables. So hence I didn't put it when I had the second set of water to the pot. So I'm just going to add these, then I'm going to stir it and let it shimmer a little bit. So I've went ahead and take out some of the gravy from the pot because I want to make sure that when I had the macaroni, just in case I need additional gravy, I would have some on the side. So I'm just going to incorporate the pasta to the meat. And guys, what I did not add the macaroni gradually, so hence I would have to go back and take out some because it was too much and it was too hard to actually stir the pasta in the meat. So I'm just stirring enough so that the pasta can actually catch the color of the meat. So you want to make sure that you go in smoothly and gentle while stirring, because you want the pasta to have the color of the meat instead of you have some colored and some uncolored, because that will look too unattractive. So I went back in and add the rest of gravy that I put aside on the pasta, because to me it wanted more color, because not all of the pasta managed to catch color of the meat. So I just went back in and sprinkled some more on it. So currently I'm just adding some dry parsley to the pasta, and trust me, if you're preparing pasta and you don't have parsley in it, it makes no sense. But only if you guys could smell the pot. This tastes so good, it smells so good, the color was so rich, and it was just, I don't know, y'all, if you're a foodie like me, you just know that when you complete a meal and then it smells good, it look good, it tastes good, it's to die for. So I'd let it set for like 2 minutes on low heat. So guys, if y'all could smell my pot, if y'all could taste my pot, then you will definitely know that this dish is lit. So I'm sharing dinner now, guys, so make sure y'all go and wash your hands, set the table, and wait for Chef Shantana to come and give you your share of food. Yes, I'm telling you guys, like, I'm not being dramatic, but this meal tastes so good, it smells so good, the color is so rich. This is my first time actually preparing it, and I'm telling you, I did a great job. So this is the finishing look of my meal. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so the moment I upload you'll be the first to see. Like, comment, and share, and feel free to try out this meal and come back to my channel and tell me how it goes. Bye guys.